In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to simplify your Notion side menu to be way more productive. Notion is a fantastic tool for managing all of your tasks, projects, and documents. But let's face it, sometimes the side menu can get a little cluttered, making it harder to focus on what truly matters. Today, we'll streamline that side menu so you can access your most important content more quickly and efficiently. First things first, we'll start by opening up Notion. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do so. You will be greeted by your dashboard, where you can see all of your Notion pages laid out. Now take a moment to scan through the pages you have. You'll notice each page generally has a little icon or image next to it on your side menu. This is where all the clutter can start to block your productivity, so let's get to simplifying it. Next, look for the page name that you want to highlight or simplify on your side menu. To the right of each page name, you'll see three little dots. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This is going to open up a menu with several different options. From here, what we'll want to do is focus in on optimizing this space for productivity. Now, in that menu, you'll find an option that says Add to Favorites. This is a really handy feature within Notion that allows you to pin pages you frequently access to the top of your side menu, making them much more accessible. By adding a page to your favorites, you're ensuring it's always within easy reach, so you can focus more on what you need to get done, rather than browsing through a long list of pages. When you click Add to Favorites, you'll notice that the page moves to a new section at the top of your menu called Favorites. This method of organization can help you declutter the rest of your menu, keeping only the most crucial and frequently accessed pages readily available. It's a small step that can have a huge impact on your daily workflow. Remember, you can always rearrange your favorites and even remove them when they're no longer necessary. Just revisit the three-dot menu next to any page and toggle off Add to Favorites. This flexibility allows you to adjust as your priorities change, so your workspace adapts to your needs over time. With these few simple steps, you now have a streamlined, efficient Notion side menu that helps you focus on tasks that matter most and keeps distractions at bay. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in maximizing your productivity with Notion. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to optimize your digital workspace.